Hi, Jeff. I thought I'd send you a video of the website. It might be a little bit easier than trying to find it on uh, your browser. I just wanted to show you this is in staging, and I've made some significant changes because I changed out the theme. So, following in line with the Deloitte inspiration, we're looking at a this kind of solid color design and more modern. So I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down the page. These headings and these images I just selected, they can be changed out. But I wanted to show you the start of a blog section where you can actually customize each of these blocks, and then a section of perhaps just a list of your posts by date. We can just set this up here, or we can change this out, but it's also a section for more content. And then the site goes on to describe some more about your company, and the homepage will basically have all the details, but in a summary format. So maybe this is like your About Us page, but talks specifically about the kind of work that you do. And then maybe some benefits section of working together with you. Again, another photo with a little description about the company. If you have, we could add the testimonials here. And then this is just a general block for lead generation. So I would have a link to the inquiry form. And then this is the footer, which is a breakout of all the items for navigation by about case studies, expert profiles, areas of expertise, and possibly careers could be one link, not with subheadings. And then in this top area, I think we have another call, either a link with a button to the inquiry form, or perhaps we put the form into this space. One thing I liked about Deloitte is that they had a larger, what's called a mega menu, to quickly see what else is on the site. And this one has a breakdown of your services, and I put together some of the services organized by these headings. All of this is definitely editable and can change. And then all the other pages here. But for About, it's one of the, it could be one of the detractors of this format is how do you get to here. So we'll have to work on that. But I wanted to show you some of the design for the inner pages. So it's basic header with your colors. We could use an image, but we have so many pages, maybe not enough images. So just wanted to show you this option. And then more of like a simple layout for About, but I want to point out that there's a little sidebar with, again, call to actions for contacting you. This is actually a index that takes you to these headings in this page. So we would have a share button, we would have a description about the company, and then a little bit more uniformity. We could talk about your each of these pages would have additional information about your careers, news, and corporate giving. So let's see here. Under services, similar format. This consistency is really a trend to make it easier for users so that they're not flipping and having to get oriented between pages. And so this kind of consistency gives them some comfort to be able to find information. So here's an example of the patent research. I think you have some content for each of these services. And again, you can see this repeat template with information about your charity giving, careers, news, all of that's editable and can change. But again, the call to actions are what we want to continue to keep. And that's basically all I have to show. I want to make sure that we're headed in the right direction.